Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to forget your password or reset your phone if you don't know the phone password. Like I am entering the password, but I don't know the password and it is incorrect password. So what can we do now? All you guys have to do, let me check. Just first long press volume down button and power button. So as you see this option appears, now turn to power off, click on power off, again tap on power off. But as you see it required the phone password and we don't know the phone password. So all you guys have to do just put on the charger. Now all you guys have to do just click on emergency call and then press power button and volume down button for 7 to 8 seconds. So as the screen off, now quickly press power button, volume button and then release the power button. After that, as you see this window appears. That means we are now all set to erase our phone password. As you guys know that the phone touch will not be working right now. So all we guys have to do just use these keys only. So just press downward key to go down. As you see wipe data and then press power button. After that again press volume down button and then press power button to erase all data. As you see all the data will be wiped. Now time to press power button to reboot the phone. So as you see it is now starting again and this method is very easy and applicable for all Samsung A05 devices. This is how we can forget our password or pattern or we can erase data without our phone password. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.